Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are in a good condition. By the way, my name is Alya binti Nazri and my group will be presenting a case study on theory of the firm and market structures. So let's get started. What is market structure? Market structure is number and distribution size of buyers and sellers in the market for particular goods and services. It shows the power of a firm in determining market price. Here are types of market structures. We have perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly. So, let's go to the first market structure, which is perfect competition. Perfect competition is a market where there is a large number of buyers and sellers. It sells homogeneous products where the buyers cannot differentiate in terms of quality, packaging, or labeling. In perfect competition, firms are price takers because no single seller can influence the market price of a good. And also, there is no restriction on entry and exit. The next one is monopoly market structure. Monopoly means existence of single seller and large buyers who produces goods that have no substitutes. Monopoly is a price maker since there's only one seller or one producer and it has no power to control the price in the market. There are barriers to entry in monopoly market structure. Advertising in a monopoly market depends on the product sold. For example, imported cars is a product that needs some advertisement to inform consumers about the goods. But local public utilities such as water and electricity do not need advertisement from monopoly since consumer knows where to obtain such goods.
Hi guys, my name is Murni binti and I will be continuing Alya's explanation about the type of market structure. The third type of market structure is monopolistic competition. It is a market structure in which a large number of small sellers sell close substitute products. In this market, they have independent price output policy and easy entry and exit. They also needed advertising to promote their products. And last but not least, oligopoly. In this market, there are only few large firms or producers and they have mutual independence and control over the price as there are barriers to entry. In this market, the goods produced and sold are homogeneous and differentiated. Alright, so after some briefing, now you guys have some ideas about the market structure, right? So now I'm going to show you a case study that my groupmates and I have came up with. But in order to come up with a case study, we have to do our research first. And these are several articles that we have gone through. So, this is the case study that we have generated. The impact of COVID-19 has caused the demand of electricity of the Naga National Berhad TNB decreases. Recorded 25,245.902 megawatts of current installed capacity as of February 9, 2020. But current demand stood at 12,729 megawatt as of April 13 due to business closure amid to CMO. TNB recorded its demand growth in 2019 was 2.7% as compared to year 2020 at 2%. However, TNB expects its earnings to be sustainable as TNB is one of the revenue caps entities and as the total revenue remains positive, TNB's earnings will only be marginally affected. Meanwhile, TNB base tariff remained unchanged at 39.45 kilowatts.
Thank you Murni and Alya for the great elucidation. Hi, I am Syaza binti Sharifuddin and I will proceed with the issues that come from the study case. There are three things that we are going to discuss today. First thing first, before we go further to the main idea of this case study, we need to identify which market structure TNB belongs to. And only after that we can analyze how is TNB marginally affected and the move in the TNB short-run equilibrium curve with the base tariff unchanged, as well as the type of profit earned after the implication of movement control order. As you can see in this slide, TNB is a monopolist. How do we know? First, TNB is the only electricity supplier in Malaysia. With no closed products, TNB has the power to determine the tariff rates of the electricity. There is also a restriction for a new firm to enter into the market. And last but not least, TNB does not need any advertisement for its product.
This is TNB's short-run equilibrium curve before the impact of COVID-19. This is how TNB's short-run curve looks like. For your information, a firm will maximize the profit when marginal revenue MR is equal to marginal cost MC, applicable not only for monopoly structure but also all type of market structures. Look at figure 1. At this time, TNB earns supernormal profit. At MR equal to MC, average revenue AR is greater than average cost AC. The purple rectangle ABCD represents the total profit earned by TNB at that time. After the implication of COVID-19 that caused the demand of electricity to fall, TNB still earns supernormal profit. How is that possible? The decrease in demand D from Q1 to Q2 has caused the total revenue to decrease. This makes AR and MR to decrease too. AR curve as well as MR curve will move to the left simultaneously. Look at figure 2. AR move from AR to AR1 while MR move from MR to MR1. The new equilibrium achieved at MR1 equal to MC at point E1. Now, the new profit maximizing quantity is Q2, while the profit maximizing base tariff remains at 39.45 C. The purple rectangle ABFG represents the new total profit earned by TNB. TNB still earns supernormal profit after all, because AR1 is greater than existing AC. However, the total supernormal profit earned is lesser than before due to the fall in demand.